In this video, I'll show you how to create multiple local pickup locations in WooCommerce with a practical guide in detail step by step. Let's get started. Before started, make sure that you have installed and activated the Local Pickup Premium Dotstore plugin. Now, first go to the General settings. In this, first enable this option and add title like Advanced Local Pickup or As Per Needs. Next, you'll need to configure the locations. There are two methods to define pickup settings, per product or per order. Let's go with the per order option, and you can set other options from here if you want. Next, if you wish to allow pickup appointments, you can enable the options for required pickup or scheduled appointments. Right now, we will go with the default option without appointment option. Additionally, if you want to apply extra charges for local pickup, you can configure a pre-adjustment fee from this section. For example, I've added a 10% surcharge for local pickup. After making these changes, don't forget to click Save Settings. Now, let's move to the Pickup Locations tab. Here, you can create new pickup locations by clicking Add New button. I've already created one. Let me edit this. In the Pickup Address section, you'll need to fill the name of the pickup location, address details including line 1 and 2, city, and also select the country and postcode, etc. You can also add additional notes or instructions if needed for the user during checkout. If you want to enable pickup appointments, you can enable any settings from here as required. Now click the Save Location button here. Now, let's go to the shop page. Here, I'll add this product to the cart and then second product, and we will proceed to the View Cart page by click here. On the cart page, you'll see added products list with the flat rate shipping and advanced local pickup option. Once you select the advanced local pickup option, it will display a list of all the pickup locations we've created in the admin, along with their details, including the address, postcode. After selecting a specific pickup location, proceed to checkout by click this button. It will redirect on the checkout page, and you'll see the product details with the selected pickup location details. Now scroll down and go to the bottom and click Place Order button here. After successfully order placed, on the Thank You page, you're able to see the pickup location including location name, address with country and postcode, and order notes that helps customers as you can see. I hope this video is helpful. For premium plugins, visit our website, and to test the plugin, click the link below given in the description. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to notify the new tutorial. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.